Welcome to TakePropips. If you're new to Forex trading, navigating the world of indicators can feel overwhelming. Don't worry, in today's video, we're breaking down the top 3 Forex trading indicators every beginner should know. These tools will not only simplify your trading journey but also set you up for success by making more informed decisions. So, grab your notebook because by the end of this video, you'll be ready to enhance your trading game like a pro. Let's dive right in with the first essential indicator, the moving average. A moving average smooths out price data to create a single flowing line that shows the average price over a specific period. This indicator is fantastic for identifying trends and understanding the overall direction of the market. For example, a 50-day moving average above the 200-day moving average might signal an uptrend, while the opposite could indicate a downtrend. For beginners, this tool is intuitive and works well across different timeframes. Start by experimenting with simple or exponential moving averages to see how they align with your trading style. Now, while moving averages are great for trends, let's talk about an indicator that helps with momentum, the Relative Strength Index, or RSI. The RSI measures the speed and change of price movements, operating on a scale of 0 to 100. When the RSI climbs above 70, the market might be overbought, hinting at a possible reversal or pullback. Conversely, when it drops below 30, the market might be oversold, presenting a potential buying opportunity. For beginners, the RSI is straightforward to use and perfect for spotting overbought or oversold conditions in the market. And for our third essential indicator, we have the Bollinger Bands. This indicator consists of 3 lines, a simple moving average in the middle and 2 standard deviation lines above and below it. Bollinger Bands help visualize market volatility. When the bands squeeze together, it signals low volatility and the potential for a breakout. When the bands expand, it shows high volatility and possible price exhaustion. Beginners love Bollinger Bands for their clarity in identifying market conditions and breakout opportunities. Now, you might be wondering, how do I combine these indicators for the best results? This is where a tool like the TakePropips Trading Management Solutions EA can make a world of difference. Our expert advisor simplifies these technical indicators into actionable trading strategies, offering automated signals and risk management tools. With its built-in trend scanner, RSI integration, and moving average features, the Trading Management Solutions EA makes monitoring multiple indicators seamless. It's like having a personal trading assistant guiding you through every trade. Imagine pairing the moving average for trend confirmation, RSI for momentum checks, and Bollinger Bands for volatility analysis, all automated through a single dashboard. The EA doesn't just execute trades. It empowers you to learn and grow as a trader by giving you detailed insights into your strategy performance. So, while you're mastering these indicators manually, the EA works in the background, helping you fine-tune your approach with precision. To summarize, mastering these 3 indicators, moving averages, RSI, and Bollinger Bands, gives you a strong foundation for Forex trading. As you gain confidence, tools like the TakePropips Trading Management Solutions EA can amplify your efforts, making complex strategies easy to implement and manage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to TakePropips, and hit that notification bell. Comment below on which indicator you're most excited to try, or let us know your favorite combination of tools for trading. Until next time, happy trading, and remember, your trading success is just a strategy away.